Hey everyone, LP here, and summer is coming. That's right, it's just spring, but you know what? It's over 70 degrees where I came up from North Carolina today. It's kind of amazing how quickly the seasons are changing, even though the global elitists and warmers will say that it's getting warmer. And in fact, statistically, we are in a cooling period for the planet. With that said, things we need to think about when we start moving into summer. Well, and yes, I know we're still in spring, but it's getting warm, and that's what really matters. The trees are changing colors back to green, some more than others. Things are starting to sprout that we didn't expect to sprout because the warming kind of came quickly. The old animal that's supposed to tell us if we're getting 6 more weeks of winter kind of lied to us. With that said, some of the things that we need to think about. One, starting with our vehicles. During the wintertime, we kind of ignore our vehicles. Sorry for the noise. The air conditioner is not working properly on this vehicle. Got to get it fixed. So, looking at our vehicles, is it time to put the road tires back on? Because some of us run all-terrain, all-weather. Some of us run snow tires where we live. And it's time to break out the new tires. Is it that time? In my neck of the woods, yes, it is. It makes a significant difference. Also, it's a great time to take a look at your road kit. Did you use your road kit during the winter? Do you need to restock it with anything? Do you need to upgrade it? They're starting to make these like airbags that will lift your car up. Not a joke. You plug it into your cigarette lighter and bzzz, your car gets lifted up. Maybe we want to upgrade, so something to think about. Also, medical supplies. Did you use your medical supplies? You need to take stock of what medical supplies you actually have. Why do I feel like this lens is so dirty? Hopefully that's better. Did you save somebody's life and need to get a new tourniquet? Did you get into your boo-boo kit and use some Band-Aids up on a trip? Go back through your medical kit that is inside of your vehicle. These are things that you got to do. If you don't, you're going to find yourself in a position where you're trying to wrap 10 napkins around your finger and cover it with duct tape that you had to pay way too much for at the local gas station. Real life story. All right, let's see. What else? Well, I mean, maybe it's time to rotate our tires. Maybe it's time for a tune-up. We don't do those anymore, believe it or not. Tune-ups used to be a whole slew of things we did on the motors of our vehicles, where we actually well, let's not get too deep because it doesn't matter anymore. A tune-up for modern-day cars is pretty much changing the spark plugs. Maybe it's time to do that. You have your vehicle. You know what your vehicle needs to be done to it. I would hope anyway. Extra light bulbs for your lights that might go out. There's a lot of stuff that we can do to prepare now that summer is coming, things are warming up. We're going to be more active inside of our cars, our automobiles, for lack of better words, and we need to have our vehicles prepared for those situations. If we don't, there's the possibility we're going to have a bad day. I'd love to leave a full list for you here, but the problem is it would be it would be really long. It would be really long. But what I will do is I will put some items in the description that I've discussed here today. If you're interested, check them out. If not, you know where to go. But with that said, do me a favor, guys. Leave a thumbs up on the way out the door. It's free, and if it's for free, it's for me. And it's good for the channel. Stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.